If you are a trader who is still losing money trading the markets, then this video is for you. Hey traders, welcome to We Trade Waves weekly forex forecast. Guys, this forecast will be special. This time I'll start with gold, not DXY, because gold actually reached 3K, dollar is falling, and the US stock market started to rebound. What is really happening? This is what we'll do today. Anyway, all of you are new to We Trade Waves, guys. Make sure to subscribe. This is our YouTube channel. It's called We Trade Waves. All our official links are in the description under this video and in the first comment as well. So here we are publishing actually our forex forecast every Saturday, as you can see. So if you go to the videos, you can check them here one by one, all of them, all the way down, and you can check any video you want. Everything, guys, is public for you on YouTube and on our website as well. So again, if you are new, make sure to subscribe, hit the bell icon to not miss any update, tip, or move, and make sure to keep watching till the end. So gold reached 3K, finally. This is something we're expecting anyway, but before I show you guys the before and after, I just wanna, like I said, I'll start with gold. It will be special. I'll cover for you something special today as well. You will learn something new, and gold, it might be the biggest part of the forecast because a lot of you trade gold and you have got a lot of requests that, guys, can you do the top down analysis for this one? That's what we'll do today. So gold, for this, I'll go first of all to the weekly chart just to show you something regarding the cycles, something regarding the structures, and I will show you the power of wave analysis, guys, step by step, wave by wave. Of course, after I finish gold, I'll go back to DXY and cover all the list that you can see the right side of the screen. So for this one, what is happening here? This is the weekly chart. This is the top down analysis for gold, guys, that I'll give you right now. And we are using TradingView as a charting platform. Those of you who don't know, again, all our official links are in the description under this video and in the first comment. So for this one, from here, it's actually in 2011, we started this pullback all the way down to this wave. Again, I'll actually explain you something regarding wave analysis, regarding We Trade Waves concept, and regarding our special wave analysis concept as well, step by step, wave by wave, all right? So for this one, this was the drop, this is a contracting flat here, and this is a contracting ending diagonal. These are some of the structures and the patterns that we follow. And from here, we started the up move. So this wave, guys, went to the upside. Again, this is the weekly chart. I'm going, guys, step by step, wave by wave, and I'm doing the top-down analysis for you as promised. So all of you know how we have reached 3K and how we trade waves, guys. We're forecasting this step by step, wave by wave. Again, make sure to watch till the end to not miss any tip, update, or move. So after this up wave here, market gave us a contracting flat. This is called contracting flat, guys, this one here, okay? So after this contracting flat, we've got this up wave all the way. I'm repeating, the trend started from here, okay, to the upside. After this up wave here, we've got this drop, corrective structure, and then drop. So this was what? This was wave 4, right? So this is 1, 2, 3, 4, and now we are in the 5th wave. So from here, from this point, from 1600, markets start to push up, and all We Trade Waves who were with us since that time, they know that from here, guys, you forecasted all this wave to the upside. All right? So again, after this up wave here, this was actually the 5th wave. At the moment, we are in the wave 5, and on the 5th wave of the structure of the trend. So we've got this up wave here. This is the corrective structure here, and now we are in the wave 3 of wave 5 at the moment. All right? And market tapped 3K. So again, from here, we knew that market will push to the upside, and everything here is in front of you. And this is the top analysis again. Like I said, here we have contracting flat in wave 2. Here we have regular flat in wave 4, and market is going up all the way, and we are at 3K. Now from the weekly, I'll be going down to the daily chart just to show you the last bit of it, which was here. This was the start of the 5th wave to the upside. We've got this up wave, we've got this corrective structure, and now we are within the wave 3 to the upside. This one from here all the way up to here. Okay, now if we need to subdivide this one, we'll go to the 4 hours now, and I'll show you step by step, wave by wave, how we are actually following every single week, give you the updates, guys, and give you the trades of the week, and give you the levels as well for, of course, WTW Pro members. But again, for you here who are following on YouTube, you should be able to know step by step what was happening. Before I go, guys, to the next step and start to show you the before and after, I'll show you a few things regarding how usually market moves and what they do before they move the markets in the, I would say, direction that they want to move the market in. Look at this one. Here we've got the liquidity grab with this drop. Here we've got the liquidity grab as well after this expanding flat, and here the exact same thing. So again, based on the experience that we have, we knew that market will go to the downside here. I'll not go way before. I'll just go to this step here where market started to react, because from here everybody was saying, guys, Gold is going to 3K without any pullback, without any corrective structure. We said no. Gold will pull back before going to 3K. That's something, if you remember, guys, those of you are following us, make sure to give us thumbs up and leave a comment. So again, the last wave now is this one, the last trend. From here it started. Up, drop, corrective structure, drop. This an expanding flat. This some of the market makers framework, some of the market makers, I would say, moves that they do to take everybody out before the next structure. So after this expanding flat, after this up wave, expanding flat all the way up. By the way, guys, all our traders, they know how to trade each and every single wave. And if you want to join us, you know WTW Pro is the solution. I'll explain this one anyway shortly, but let's keep focusing now on the structure, on the prediction, and how we were actually following every single wave step by step. And again, that's only at Tweeted Waves, guys, all right? So everybody might be saying, if market will break this high, it will be going to this level. That's bullshit, okay? Because if I'm here as example, and I'm saying to you, look, if market will break this level, it's going to this one. If market will go down to break this one, it'll go to this one. That's not what you want to hear, right? You want to hear a one direction, just one wave, one setup, one thing that you need to focus on, which is either buy or sell. And that's what we do at Tweeted Waves, by the way, okay? So again, for this one, we've got this up wave, this corrective structure, and market started to go to the upside. From here, we started to say to you, this is 1 month ago, guys, we need one more drop before market reach 3K. Any proof for that, Alan? I'll show you this one. Look at this. If I go to YouTube again, look at this one. This was what? 1 month ago. Everything, guys, is on YouTube, all right? So look what we said here when market was at this level. Listen to this one, guys, and I'll cover for you more than one, I would say, forecast. I'll cover for you what we said on last Sunday to our members. So you know what Tweeted Waves do, all right? Look at this. The more uncertainty we have, gold will keep pushing the upside. Which wave to trade is up to you. There's no buy setup for us now. Buy setup will be only after a pullback or a corrective structure. You get me? So for now, drop first. If we get this drop to break this low and we get a buy setup under this low, we might go for the buy. All right, guys. So from here, we knew that market will pull back before continuing to the upside. So I'll go back to here. Look at this one just to show you again the exact time frame and the exact before and after from here. We said if market will break this low, why this low? Because again, this is very important. I'll tell you why this low, by the way, here, just so for you, you know something new or you learn something new. Once market will break a major top and start to pull back and go to the upside, usually they will break this low before the next buy. And that's exactly what they have done here. All right. Again, I'll go back to the next forecast. Look at this one. This was actually 3 weeks ago. And look at this. So for gold, I'm expecting a wave similar to this one, minimum, before any next structure. So 1 month ago, we said actually market will fall before the next up wave. 3 weeks time, and 3 weeks actually ago, we said we are expecting market to give us a wave similar to this one before the next structure. No one do that, guys, by the way, all right? So back to here, this was the structure. Drop, corrective structure, drop to break this low again. That's what we said 1 month ago. And then from here, market start to push to the upside. So this wave came before market reached 3K. Why is that? Because again, this is based on experience. This is based on weighted waves, wave analysis concept that we teach to our members inside the community. I'll show you anyway some of the results very soon, but keep watching till the end. So from here, we knew market will be breaking this low. From here, we said market will be falling to the downside before the next up wave, and we are expecting a wave similar to this one before the next structure. That's exactly what the market have done here, guys, step by step, wave by wave in front of all of you. So the drop was expected before reaching 3K, and after the drop, we said market will push to the upside. So this drop was, we were waiting for it. And again, why market needs to fall, Alan? Because here, this is how they move the market every single time and every single wave. Of course, you need experience and you need to learn it in order to predict it the right way and trade the next wave correctly. So prediction is one way, I would say one part, and trading the next wave is a total different story. And we can teach you both of them inside WTW Pro. Anyway, so why market will be falling, Alan, here to the downside? Because we knew that they will push market to the upside after taking liquidity under these lows. Because they will not keep pushing market to 3K and give it as a gift to people and to retail traders, because everybody will putting stop loss, I would say take profit at 3K. They will not give it like that, especially for retail traders who are buying here and putting stop loss under the lows. So that's why they want to make sure that market will retrace despite all the news, guys, all right? So they make sure that market will retrace to take liquidity under this low, and then after that, they will push it back up to break this top, and then after that, I'll explain you what's next shortly. So again, All of this was known, and the proof is on YouTube, like I said, for all of you. So this was what? This was 3 weeks ago. Of course, on a daily basis, we have the sessions. We have the Sunday sessions for WTW Pro, where we give you the levels. I'll show you this one shortly anyway. We have Sunday sessions with T. We have Wednesday update with T, and we have actually the daily session with the seniors every single day at 1 p.m. UK time and at 6 p.m. UK time as well. And some sessions at night for people who are not able to attend the 3 p.m., the 1 p.m. and the actually 6 p.m. UK time. All the sessions are recorded, so if you cannot attend live, you can anyway watch the recording at a later stage. All of this, guys, is inside WTW Pro. If you are not joining, you are missing a lot, by the way. Anyway, this was what? This was 3 weeks ago. Back to the next forecast. This one was 2 weeks ago, 13 days, right? So look at this.
For a push up for gold, okay? So for gold, I'm expecting market to go the upside based on what happened yesterday in the White House, if you are following regarding Trump and the president of Ukraine. So for this one, we might see market pushing to the upside again. Alan, can this one be an expansion and market go to the upside to break the top once more? Yes, it can.
Indirectly, I said to you, this is the expanding flat, guys, we were waiting for. And of course, the details is for WTW Pro members internally for the, I would say, private community. But for you, we gave you this one on YouTube indirectly as well, that this is the expanding flat and market will push the upside to break the top and reach 3K. If we go back to this one, to the after, look at this one. So this is the expanding flat and all the way up to reach 3K. That was actually crazy, all right? Anyway, now the next part is here. This was what? This was last week, all right? Last week we said what? Look what we said.
What's next? Looks like, guys, this will be pushing to the upside, right? So even if this will go down, it will be just a corrective structure before the next up wave.
This is the details, guys, that no one will give you. And again, the proof is in front of you every single week, every single wave, step by step, wave by wave. So from here, again, indirectly, I said to you, market will be falling to break this low before the next up wave. Why is that? Because we knew that if I go to the 1 hour, we knew that market makers will not leave people going to the upside from here just like that after taking them out here. They need to push it down once more before the next up wave. And that's exactly what the market have done from here. Again, guys, this high accuracy, you will not get it anywhere. And we are able to teach you that. That's the main point. All right? Where? Inside WTW Pro. So for this one, again, we said last week, one more drop before the next up wave. And that's exactly what market have done. Step by step, wave by wave. No one have this prediction but weighted waves. All right? So for this one, this is what we said. Now this is public, right? Internally, look what we said on last Sunday session for our members, from where to buy, how to buy, and to which level, with the levels as well. So the Sunday sessions are actually for, I would say for WTW Pro members. It's conducted by T every Sunday at 12 p.m. UK time. And if you cannot attend live, you can watch the recording later. So look at this one. This is how we covered gold last Sunday. Look at this. This again, private for WTW Pro members. It's 2-hour sessions where T will cover all the charts for you. Majors, minors, exotic pairs, indices, crypto, stocks, and any request, any question you have, you can ask him live. And if you cannot attend live, you can watch the recording in a few hours. So look at this one. This is how we covered gold last Sunday.
Gold. Now, for the gold, as I've said to you, I'm still bullish on the gold because of this sharp momentum to the upside, and this is a consolidation here. Now, this consolidation could take some more time here. This consolidation probably would have a potential for one more drop for me. It is heading to take this top. There is no question. A matter of time only. Okay. Where would be the best case scenario? Below this level here would be the best case scenario, 2880.
You got that, guys? So every single wave with the levels are shared during the Sunday session. So look at this. This is 2880. Look at that. I'll show you the 2880, by the way. This 2880 exactly here, right? So in case you are not able to see, you can zoom out, guys. You can watch in the 4K for better resolution. Look at this. Look at the high accuracy to the pip, all right? Look at that. If you cannot see it, I'll zoom in. 2880, of course, with the pips here, it's exactly the case, exactly the level. And it's not just jumping in or putting alerts or something. It's actually using weighted wave, special wave analysis concept and special strategies. Everything is inside WTW Pro. Again, if you are not joining, guys, you are missing a lot and you will keep losing money and time every single month or every single week. If you don't want to actually lose more time and money and you want to achieve financial freedom the soonest, join WTW Pro, guys. This is your solution. This is your ultimate solution for weighted waivers. actually to succeed and make a lot of money. If I go to the website, this is our website, by the way, just to let you know, all the official links are in the description under this video and in the first comment. This is our website, it's WeTradeWaves.com, and once you go here, you can check, by the way, the Trustpilot profile. This is our Trustpilot profile, we rated excellent again, and I think that's the least we can actually get based on all what we are providing. And by the way, you can read all of them. By the way, thanks a lot, Bilal, for your feedback. I just read it yesterday. Read it, guys. I don't want to actually stop here for to read this one, but read it. Thanks a lot, Bilal, again. Bilal is one of our members. You can read just to see actually what the members are saying, or what our members actually are, I would say, recommending weighted waves and why. Because this story might be one of your stories as well. You can see the 640 reviews here if you'd like to. Read them so you can know more about us, okay? Of course, you can check this one. And if you go to this, start your path to profits, this way you will see all the features for WTW Pro membership, which is this one, okay? So these are all the features. You check them, guys, one by one. You check the website, you read the FAQ section. It's better if you can check from a PC just to read them, I would say, clearly, okay? That's regarding, guys, the gold, how we're forecasting it step by step, wave by wave, and how we were actually saying to this one inside the private sessions. Now, before I cover what's next, again, I want to show you what our members were doing, right? Because again, if we don't do that, what's the point? VJ is one of our members, guys. He was holding gold since long. Look at this. So from 2689 to 717 to 745 and to 882. It was crazy move. And again, he made a lot of money, guys. VJ, we are proud of you and we are so happy for you. Thank you very much, by the way, for your comment here and for your message. And this is actually, guys, what our members are doing, and this is the community. Of course, not only VJ, he was asking as well T on what he do, and that's how we reply as well to our members. And we got them what to do in these scenarios, or ones like when they are in trades and they are making money. And as you can see, again, I would say the trick or the best part to do is to learn how to add to winning positions. That's why I'm saying if you keep watching till the end, there's a lot of indirect tips I'm giving you guys so you can trade in a better way for later. So the best thing you can ever do as a trader is to learn how to add to winning positions. That's something, guys, we teach inside WTW Pro and inside the monthly Q&A sessions recording. The recordings, guys, are actually, look at that, just to show you before I jump to the next one. These are the trades of the week anyway, and if I go to the monthly Q&A sessions, on top of the Masterclass course, you will get access to the advanced part. The advanced part is shared inside the monthly Q&A sessions, which is here, inside this dashboard. Look how many video you will get, look at the resources, and look what you can do with this, okay? So back to the Discord. VJ, you have done that, fantastic, congrats DJ, we are so happy for you. And all the community is happy for VJ, by the way. Now, not only VJ, Rob as well, he was actually making a killing as well here. This actually Rob, he was trading gold since as well before. And this is the net profit, by the way, it's in the dollars, right? So this is more than 100K, guys, profits for Rob. Rob, again, we are proud of you. Rob is one of our seniors as well. And he was helping the community as well on a weekly basis and more than once as well per week whenever he can. So all our seniors, guys, and moderators, they are meeting, they are actually doing the daily sessions. We have 2 live sessions every day to get you the updates. And again, you can see the results here. Damien as well is very, I would say, active in the community. Thanks a lot, Damien, for being active here. And if you scroll down, you will see a lot of our members as well making a lot of money trading gold and silver. Now you might ask you, Alan, why silver? Because this is what T was saying to the members during the private sessions, guys. Once gold will reach 2880, you can go and buy silver. And most of you know where silver is at the moment, all right? So it's not only that, guys. I'll show you something as well regarding the community. If I scroll up, look at the success stories. A lot of members as well are passing challenges, I would say, every single week. And as well, look at this. This is Riyadh, fantastic Riyadh. We are actually, again, so proud of you and happy for you. That's the real happiness for me and for T, guys. Once we see you guys succeeding, that's real happiness. And the last Q&A session was covered on March 13, and here you can see everything regarding how to invest and how to achieve financial freedom, I would say the soonest. And in this one, we covered all the stocks that have actually potential to go the upside. And again, these Q&A sessions are the advanced part of Weighted Waves. I give them on a monthly basis for WTW Pro members. So if you want all of this, guys, you don't want to miss out, you know what to do. You join WTW Pro, and for this one, this is how you can learn everything from us, and you get all the updates. Anyway, back to gold. Alan, after 3K, what is happening here? What market will do? After 3K, guys, what I'm expecting next is again, I'll show you the bigger picture, right? We are now on the fifth wave, and the fifth wave is here. I'll go back to the daily just to show you. That's the fifth wave from here, okay? So internally in the low degree here, up, corrective structure up. We are on the third wave of the fifth wave, which means sooner or later, market will give us a corrective structure similar to this one, potentially before the next up wave. So the bigger corrective structure will be towards this level as example, and after that, one will push up before the next fall. Okay, so for gold, you can still trade every single wave here to the upside or to the downside, but step by step, wave by wave, you might be confused at the moment because for you, this might not be actually clear like what I'm saying if you don't know about wave analysis. Guys, market moves in waves, and waves are nothing more than understanding and mastering the math psychology of all market participants. That's the real trading. That's the real analysis. Anyone else saying to you about support and resistance, indicators, chart patterns, again, with full respect to all of them, they are low probability chance trades and low probability chance analysis. Low quality analysis. Let's put it in this way. If you want to level up, you have to join WTW Pro. You have to join the successful traders. I showed you the proof, I showed you the before and after, and I showed you as well the results inside the community. And for us, of course, we are making money from trading and a lot of our investments as well from real estate, hedge funds, stock portfolio. We have a lot of things, and that's what we teach you inside WTW Pro. It's all-in-one solution to make money from trading, and after that, to invest and build your money-making machine to achieve financial freedoms the soonest. That solution, I'm repeating, no one give it, but we trade waves. Anyway, back to gold for this one. At this level, here it's the wave 5. Again, like I said, the structure can change, of course. Whatever we will be getting, I'm expecting market to give us a corrective structure here, want to push up. That's short-term move, okay? Corrective structure, want to push up. Which wave to trade is up to you. For us, if we get a corrective structure similar to this one, and we get a buy, short-term, we can scalp this trade, no problem. After this buy setup, 3K will be taken out. I'd say market will break 3K once more before the next sell. Despite, again, the ceasefire, despite on all the negotiation that is happening between Ukraine and Russia, between actually Saudi Arabia is in the middle, and as well US is taking the lead. All of this, it will have an impact, of course, but they will actually move the market when the structure is complete. So again, that's something in out of the topic, but market will always follow a certain direction defined by a structure, regardless of the news. News causes volatility in the market. That's something, again, it's something big. You might not be able to really, I would say, get it or grasp it, I would say, to not say understand it. But the point and the major point is actually market moves in a certain direction defined by a structure. How to learn the structure? By learning We Trade Waves special wave analysis concept. I cannot make it more clear than that, guys. Again, you want to keep doing what you're doing, you do it, no problem. You want to level up and actually jump to the next level, you can join us anytime you want. Do not waste more time and money, because the sooner you join, the sooner you will start to read the charts correctly and start to make money at a later stage. Anyway, for the structure, this is what is happening for gold, and that's what we can see gold will be doing later on. Alan, can we sell here this one? Yes, of course you can sell and make trade, actually scalping trade. You can do that, but one push up is very possible before the next structure. So either market will be falling from here or after breaking this top. In all the cases, the buys will be actually risky, and any sell setup now, it will be a good sell setup if you get a sell setup. So again, which wave to trade is up to you. For us, we'll be focusing on the sell setups now, and if we get a very good buy setup after a complete corrective structure, we'll go for it. I hope got this clear. If this clear, give us thumbs up and leave a comment. DXY for this one. Alan, what is happening for this? DXY, guys, is falling like we said. And again, if you're new to We Trade Waves, make sure, guys, to go back and watch the previous forecast. We forecasted 110 exactly to the level, exactly to the pip, and market was falling after everything. And what was happening fundamentally regarding the elections, everything, guys. This was anyway spot on. On YouTube and inside our private sessions, we give the levels, like I said, and like I showed you how T was covering the gold during the last Sunday session. And of course, not only gold, we were giving trades of the week as well. Let me show you this one again before I continue to DXY. If I go to the dashboard, these were the trades of the week. Silver to the upside. Most of you know where silver is. Market went to the upside. Aussie Swiss to the upside as well. Aussie Swiss, I'll show you the after now. Look at this one. This Aussie Swiss. And if I go to the 4 hours just to show you, look where the market is. You should be in profits. So Aussie Swiss to the upside. This on top of gold, right? So gold, silver, Aussie Swiss and Aussie Yen as well. I believe it was here, Aussie Yen to the upside. So if you go to Aussie Yen, this is the aftermarket trend to the upside. So almost everything, guys, as expected, step by step, wave by wave. Like I'm saying, no one have that accuracy, but we trade waves, okay? Again, more details on our website and the official links are in the description under this video. Back to where we are. DXY, for this one, after forecasting the drop, market went to the downside. What's next, Alan? Looks like market will be correcting here. One more fall before the next up wave. So the structure will be messy. We'll get a corrective structure, a pullback, another drop, and then after that, the bigger corrective structure to start. Like I said, which wave to trade is up to you. For me personally, I'll be focusing on the sell setups. Any pullback, it will be a sell opportunity to go for one more drop, and after the drop, after market taking this low, we can start to look for the buy setups for the start of the pullback or a corrective structure again, okay? So for this one, I hope this is clear. Euro dollar for this one is exactly the same. Market went to the upside and the bigger picture is completed. So this is the regular flat and the bigger picture like I showed you before. This one, and I explained this in detail again inside the Q&A session. You can watch the recording once you join. So this is a sharp move to the upside. This is an up wave. It's an impulsive move. Again, you can look at this one as a pullback or a contracting flat here, and market went to the upside. This is not important. What is important is actually market to give us a corrective structure to the downside before the next up wave. This is how I can say gold will behave. And if you want to know the levels, if you want to know the trades of the week, you join WTW Pro. T will explain you all of this in detail tomorrow with all the rest of the charts. Pound dollar for this one, again, if you remember the buy zone. So gold was spot on. I showed you every single forecast in detail. And pound dollar, we said here, this is the buy zone. Those of you remember that, guys, give me a thumbs up and leave a comment just for the people who are new to know and to remember that this was the buy zone that was forecasted. I don't want to go to the before and after because the forecast will be so long, okay? So for this one, up is what market is doing. After that, corrective structure, want to push up. The bias is toward the upside, but short term, we can get again a drop or a pullback similar to this one before the next wave. So pound dollar, I'm expecting market, even if it will go up, guys, to break this up once more, a drop to start. And this drop, it will be the start of the corrective structure before the next up wave. Pound dollar, guys, will reach 1.30. Again, how it will reach this one? Where will be the trade? From which level? This will be covered by T tomorrow at 12 p.m. UK time for WTW Pro members. You can join to get access. Gold, I have explained that for you in detail. More up for gold, guys. Corrective structure, very possible. More up before the next drop, or this will be falling from me in all the cases. Which wave to trade is up to you. If you get a corrective structure and a buy setup, you go for the buy. A correction similar to this one. If not, you can start to sell, start to build on your sells, and you should know how to trade it, by the way. Aussie dollar for this one. This, guys, is a pullback. Market took liquidity under these lows, and now market will be actually making one more drop here before the next up wave. We'll be focusing on the buy setups, by the way. This sell, it might be temporary, and after this drop, we can go for the buy. Of course, as a scalper, you can go for this trade if you know how to trade it. On the daily sessions, the series will give you the updates, step by step, wave by wave, and this will be the structure. Corrective structure, one push up before the next move. New Zealand dollar is exactly the same. Again, we can get one more fall before the next up wave. Which wave to trade? You can do this one, and you can trade this one as well. Up to you. Dollar yen for this one, we said market will be pushing to the upside after reaching 146, and market is pushing to the upside. What's next? One push up before the next structure. This is bullish. Any sell setup here, it is not ready yet. Market needs to break this top and give us a sell setup before it goes to the downside if it needs to go to the downside. Okay? So for now, if you are in the buy, make sure to manage your trades and let the market unfold. More up for dollar yen. Dollar Swiss for this one, market is correcting. So one more drop to break this low, and then after that, market will start to push to the upside. You can trade this and you can trade this as well. It's up to you. Dollar CAD for this one, market is correcting. We might get here, guys, a massive structure. So again, most of you should remember this up wave and this drop. You must have made money trading this one, and now market is correcting. It's a sideways move. We can get one more drop, or we will get one more drop, one push up before the next drop, one push up, and then the fall. This will be a big corrective structure, big irregular flat. We have a regular flat here inside a running flat, and then the big structure will be this. Up, corrective structure, up. Now again, some of you might be confused, especially newbies. Alan, what are you drawing here, man? Like, this is confusing. Guys, what we can see, we can predict the future. And if people if I would say small traders, if traders who don't have experience, or anyone I would say who is trading, even people who have experience, guys, they might not understand what I'm drawing, by the way, all right? Because it's not only about getting the knowledge, it's about from who you get the knowledge and how much experience do they have. We have more than 12 years of experience, and we know how the market moves based on our experience as well. And that's what we are able to teach. Remember, guys, you might find a lot of people succeeding, but first of all, they don't want to teach you or give you this opportunity, or they don't like to do that. Me and T, once we start to speak, once we start to talk about trading, because our passion, usually we cannot stop. So that's why you see our sessions are 2 hours, 2 hours and a half, because once we are in, we give all what we know. That's something different. That's something based on who you are as a person, and based on if you are happy to give this knowledge to people. Now, regarding this one, if you don't want to take this opportunity, you will stay where you are. If you are happy where you are, you do what you keep doing what you are doing. But if you want to level up in trading, like I said, WTW Pro now, Weighted Waves community now, to take advantage as soon as possible and start to make money later on and achieve financial freedom with our guidance. Because guys, this year we have started actually the investment and the stock coverage, because I said to our traders, by the way, on last Q&A session, it was on 13th, right? I said to my traders, look guys, what you have to do is you have to trade, make money from trading, because we have actually, you have the knowledge now. You make money from trading, and then all the money they are making from trading, you go and you invest them. This tip and how to invest them, where, percentages, in which stocks, in which funds, and in which real estate area, this is something as well we provide internally for WTW Pro members. So it's all-in-one solution to achieve financial freedom the soonest. We need to bring our traders to where we are, because we are there. So that's actually that mentality, that passion, that sort of persons that we are. I'm talking about WTW team, me, T, the seniors, all of us. We love to help our community, and we love to see everybody leveling up. That's why we are pushing every single day with them. And thank God we have a lot of success stories. You can see, by the way, this one on Trustpilot. You can see it on the website. And like I said, if you don't like to level up, if you want to stay where you are, you'll be missing out, and it's up to you. It's your decision to join who you want to join. All right. So for this one, again, dollar CAD, this is a regular flat formation for now. It will be pushing the upside to make another regular flat inside this running flat, like I said. And then after that, one will push up to break this top once more, and then it will fall after. This is how we can see what? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 waves in advance. Okay. So yes, all for this one, market actually is correcting. Looks like we will get one more drop before the next structure. Bitcoin, the crypto market actually started to rebound, but this is not how we would love to see the market reacting. So in other means, Bitcoin, this is a potential corrective structure. One more drop, one more push up, another fall before the next up wave. So market will spend some time here before the next push up. It will be pushing to the upside. We are still bullish. We are still actually biased to the upside, but market might give us more waves before the next structure. Which level to trade from, which level to start to sell and start to trade, this will be covered by T tomorrow during the Sunday session. US30 for this one, guys, market actually went to the downside. You should not panic if you trade the stock, because again, trading and investing, they are a bit different, and we cover them again both inside WTW Pro, but this is a potential corrective structure drop, this an expanding flat and then drop. Regardless of what the market will do, one more drop or not, the wave is toward the upside. The stock market will push to the upside, and this based on all the policies that I have covered before, and I explained this in detail again inside the Q&A session. You can watch the recording as soon as join WTW Pro, and you will get access to the Discord community from day one, right? So again, to not explain this here and waste more time for you guys, everything was explained regarding this one inside the Q&A session that was covered here. I'll go back to this one. I'll go to general inside this Q&A session. Okay, so you can watch the recording here once you join to know how we covered this one step by step and wave by wave. All right, so this, it might be a corrective structure. One level we are waiting for before the next up wave. This level was covered by T, and it will be covered again tomorrow at 12 p.m. UK time. Up is the wave, up is the move. We are biased to the downside, to the upside for US30, despite the recession fear. despite or like what is happening worldwide, even if this guys will fall the downside, corrective structure drop, no problem, up is the move. Because as an investor, you will pray for the market to fall so you can actually buy more. Adding to losing positions in trading and positioning yourself as an investor is something different. Okay, so again, this is all what we are covering, and again tomorrow we'll cover some of the stocks. As example, Nvidia, you know, market started to rebound. Tesla as well, market started to go to the upside. And how to manage the trades, which stock to trade, again, this will be covered by T tomorrow regarding some of the stocks that are here. These are the stocks will be covered tomorrow by T. And if you have any questions, you can ask him live and he will answer you straight on, I would say, straight away once you are in the session. Guys, with that note, thank you very much for watching. I hope all of you made money. Do not waste, again, more time and more money. Level up, join WTW Pro, and to learn everything. You will get everything. Again, it's all-in-one solution for serious traders like you. I see all of you next Saturday, and WTW Pro members, T will see all of you tomorrow at 12 p.m. UK time. Thank you very much, guys, and you trade with care.